Philips has announced another new monitor, the Philips 326M6VJRMB. A classic monitor in terms of shapes, in which the base stands out above all, with a triangular shape and empty spaces between the supports. The frames have a uniform width, both the sides and top and bottom, so it does not favor the multiscreen configuration. As for specifications, the Philips 326M6VJRMB is built around a 31.5-inch AMVA panel where you can get a UHD resolution of 3840 x 2160 pixels. The other specifications refer to a maximum brightness of 600 nits, which gives it the HDR600 Display certification. With a response time of 4 milliseconds, viewing angles of 178 degrees, a typical 3001 contrast, a refresh rate of 60 Hz, a dynamic contrast of 80,000,001 and a coverage of the NTSC color space of 114%, which reaches 135% in the sRGB space. As for connections, with 3 HDMI 2.0 ports, 1 DisplayPort 1.4 jack, 4 USB 3.0 ports and 1 3.5mm jack input. In addition, and to not depend on external speakers, it integrates 2 stereo speakers of 5 watts of power with DTS Sound technology. Despite not being a gaming monitor, the Philips 326M6VJRMB mounts Ambiglow lighting system. It is an LED strip located in the lower area that enlarges the screen, creating a halo of surrounding light adapting to the content of the incoming image continuously.